Guys, ibaze usohotse hanze ugasanga iwawe hameze gutya. Izo snow. Reba nawe. Umbwiza ukuri. Nta hantu ho gukandagira mu kwigengesera mbese. Urebye nabi wahaba. Okay. Mbese izo ubwo nibwo buzima bwacu tubayemo hano. Yeah, I just try to show you how it's going around. Okay, if you know, you know.
Hello everyone. If you are interested in getting some work done on your yard, please consider Dove Landscaping, located in Edmonton, Alberta. They will help you with all your landscaping needs. Call the number 587-566-3020 to find out more.
Abantu mwese bo muri Edmonton murahishiwe. Iyi ni company ya mbere muri Edmonton ikora landscaping in front of your house n'inyuma y'amazu yanyu. Ni karibu rero muhamagare iyo nimero. Imana ibahe umugisha. Hello guys, kamabwire ibintu turi guhura nabyo ntiwamenye. Iyi ni snow. Twari tuzi ko yarangiye none kabaye. Reba nawe ikirenge cyanjye cyahizemo. Umbwiza ukuri. Amamodoka yose yuzuranye, mbese habaye icura burindi. Nta hantu umuntu ari kugenda aca. Reba nawe ikirenge. Mbese no gutwara imodoka. Urabona ukuntu nanjye meze. Nibwo akazi karangiye mu gicuku. Ngiye kureba imodoka kugira ngo ni prepare mu kanya gatoya ngende. Nawe mwe murareba umwijima uhari. Ntabwo byoroshye. Ariko tubibayemo. Hano ngiye kubereka uburyo ki tubanza guhanagura amamodoka. Yabaye frozen. Kuko udahanaguye wagonga guys. Ubwo kubereka uburyo ki tubigenza. Yes. Murabona namwe. Hano no kwirwanaho. Buri wese ahanaguriye kugira ngo utaza kugonga. Ubashe kubona. Yes, haracyari mu ijoro. Kubera nyine ari winter ntabwo ubasha kubona. Se wabona ndi watwara ute imodoka yuzuranye gutya kandi ko ari wowe ugomba kubyikorera. Ntabwo dufite ba John ngo baze baduhanagurire abandi bo mu rugo iwacu abantu barihaga. Nawe mbwire koko ntabwo ushobora no kumenya imodoka yawe iyo ariyo. Nabonye ngaho niyo mushaka kuza ni karibu, ntabwo tubabujije, ariko umwirato wo kugira ba John sinzi ko muzabishobora, ko natwe byaratugoye, byaratubabaje cyane. nta muntu utakifuza kubaho ba John bari n'abaroza ngo badufashe guhanagura. Yewe we, yandi umuntu abyuka ari kuvuga John, imodoka yanjye wayihanaguye? Roza, warangije gukoropa? Urabakura hehe ko natwe turi ba John hano na ba Roza muri bino bihugu? Utabaye John muri iki gihugu se ahubwo waba iki? Cyangwa ngo ube Roza? Guys, twarababaye. Amafaranga umuntu ajya kuyabona yayaruhiye. Ubu niwo murimo buri muntu wese ashinzwe gukora. Nta muntu ubigukorera, ntuzagire ngo n'umwana wabyaye ntashaka gusohoka ngo abigukorere, ko nawe bakora kuye. Ntabwo ibintu biragoye, habaye. Ariko urabona ko bigereje nyine. Nawe umbwiza ukoko uyu muhanda nawe ukuntu umeze, hanyuma umbwire ukuntu abantu bashobora kubaho amezi ageze kuri 7 ubuzima bumeze gutya. Na 7 pe, ndumva narigeze kubibabarira. Amezi 7 bumeze gutya pe. Hari igihe twari twibwiye ko ngo byarangiye, ejo iyo uza kubona akazuba kari gahari bari kuvuga ngo twacitse ku icumu, imbeho yagiye. Ariko wapi nta ijya hesi yari kujya, ntaho izajya. Turacyafite urugendo rurerure guys. Muri aka kanya rero nanayishyushye kugira ngo ikirahure kimere neza nyine. Ibintu byose kwishokora kugira ngo abana b'ikirahure n'ibiribwa hayabike. Naho ubundi ntabwo watwara ngo ikirahure umushuga imeze babije ukuri n'intoki zafuzinze. Amafaranga murabona uzayaryaho nyatari abibwa n'umugabo. Intoki nazo zirafuzinze, ntabwo ngiri kuzumva kubera imbeho. Namwe koko mumbwiye, kandi nicaye mu modoka basi kugira ngo byibuze nanjye ngire agashyuhe. guys, ibaze usohotse hanze ugasanga iwawe hameze gutya. Izo snow, reba nawe, umbwize ukuri. Nta hantu ho gukandagira, ni ukwigengesera mbese. Urebye nabi wahaba. Okay. Mbese izo nibwo buzima bwacu tubayemo hano. Yeah, I just try to show you how it's going around. Okay, if you know, you know. Guys, ngaho ni muze basi mbajyane tujya kugura inyama kuko nicyo nkurikijeho. Mbereke store tuguraho inyama. Dore aho ni muri Halal, niho abantu benshi bagurira, ntabwo ari bose ariko abenshi, niko nashimye kubazana hano. Hi guys. Okay, as you can see, ni hano nyine. Inyama ndabona bitwiza, nitwo barisha ibintu bita njara. Ko ariho ngeze zigura ngahe ko mbona hari inyama zigiye zitandukanye. Niho ngeze. Ego, mbona zose zifite amagufa. Ntabwo ari nka za zindi natetse. Ego, haba harimo utugufa dutoya. Sha izi ngizi ko noneho hari n'utundi bakase duto utamenya uko tungana. Utuba turisha ibintu bita njara. None izi ndazibwira zigura ngahe, zingura gahe. Hari izanditseho 18, ariko izindi wari wambwiye ko zigura 25. Zigura ngahe. N'amagarama zifite. Mana nshoboze, izo ndi kubona ziba ziri hasi. Nizo ndi kubona. Ngo meat with bone. Okay, that's good. Okay. Hello. Hi, I need meat with bone, but without fat. Choose good for me because I like to buy
no
here.
Fat.
No fat,
Yes.
Yeah. This is what you're using with injala?
Which one? The small cut?
Yeah.
Anything.
Anything. Very nice, eh?
Oh yeah.
It's so nice without fat.
You just fire and
Sure.
fries like that's it.
Okay. You get it. It's two.
Okay, you can take that.
Okay. This one, how much? How much for this?
That's 19.
Oh, 19
Yeah, the kilo.
kilo.
Yeah.
This is kilo.
Yeah.
Sure. Okay.
Cool brush oil.
How much both?
1370 and 1533. You can take those.
Okay.
You can camera that.
Yeah, I can't camera you. If you need to talk, say something.
no.
You don't need to say something.
No.
Most people scared. Yeah, it's okay. Why are you shy? You shy like a woman. You shy like a woman, and okay. Don't shy.
I didn't shy, but I don't want.
You know what?
I always in front of all time.
Do you have a pepper? You just have meat.
We just have right now.
Okay.
6, 7. Yeah, I still have it. Okay, what number
Sorry.
do I phone? Yeah.
I'm just keeping here.
Yes, please.
I just need to see this. How much this cake from Africa?
Cake is 15. That one for the $7.
7? Let's see. I take maybe to taste.
Okay, yeah, on debit.
Guys, muze tujye kuriha telefone yanjye. Yes. How are you doing? You know what? This job. Guys, wabonye ako kazi uwo mupapa akora ni umuntu ukuze, ariko bya bindi by'abantu b'iwacu birata ngo ntibakora aka kazi. Guys, yeah, I respect it. Yeah, yeah. Guys, by chance ndabona nta n'abantu bahari. It's a grace. There is no more people because it's weekend, it's snowing. The people scared to get out, and it's in the weekend. Hi, how are you doing? Yeah, I don't want to put it in my camera, but I just come to pay my bills. Yeah. If you scare camera, I can't. You scare?
No.
You don't scare?
What's your phone number?
Okay. Yeah. My number. Granny. Sometime I miss one. Okay, 5. Yeah.
What's the name on the account?
Gwiza. I have a YouTube channel, that's why. When I get out, I have to show what I'm doing, my diary style. Yeah.
$36.70 cash.
Okay, not cash. Debit. Guys, I came to pay my bills as I said, and after that I have a family to go visit, and yeah. Oh, I have to send money. No money on it. Sorry.
It's fine.
Yeah. I'm scaring. Okay. Victory belongs to Jesus. Victory belongs to Jesus. Victory belongs to Him. Okay, now we can
Ready?
go. Yes. Hopefully. Yep. Hey, beautiful. How are you? Yeah, it's been a while.
I know.
You know my project now? YouTube channel. It's keeping me. It's keeping me.
I'm scared of having.
Oh no! Don't scare anything. You know it's back home people who saw that here no one knows you.
Yes.
Yeah, that's it. But it's keep me, you know.
Yes.
It's encourage me and. Thank you. Have a good day. Yeah. Action Canada. What is that? Action. Election Canada. Oh, okay. Okay. Guys, now I done to pay my bills. Everything good. Everything is good. Yes. Yes. Guys, ngiye kubereka ukuntu hanze hameze nabi pe. Hanze hameze nabi ku buryo utabyiyumvisha. Yeah. Ngiye kubereka ukuntu hanze hameze, murumirwa namwe ukuntu hameze, n'ukuntu snow yari yararangiye. Murabona aho hose. Reba ahantu turi kuwakinga ukuntu hasa. Yes. Ngiye gufata amaguru yanjye angurutsa nkajya muri izindi gahunda, kandi nubwo snow yaguye ntabwo hakonje pe. Hari akantu k'agafresheri ntabasha gusobanura, gusa bisaba ngo buri muntu yiproteje, otherwise guys warwara. Ku muntu ufite amaglobule makeya arinda umubiri, you have to be careful. Don't see ngo nuko hasa gutya ngo wange kwiproteja, naho ubundi ushobora kubigiramo ibibazo ukarwara. Kanze mbere ku uwo musozi, reba nuko bimeze muri ino minsi. Ndaza kugenda mbereka nuko bari muri parking nyine, ariko nyine nuko bimeze. Ubwo ngiye ninjiye mu modoka kuko ndi kwihuta. Guys, thank you for watching.